Good morning, electrominds, fearless EMF warriors, and brilliant talents. Welcome back. Have you ever wondered how a compass can know there is a current flowing in a wire, even if you can't see it? How does electricity, which means to move in a straight line, create a force that pushes and pulls in a circle? So, this invisible influence is the magnetic field. And today, we are going to unlock the secret formula that describes exactly how moving charges create magnetism. This formula is one of the cornerstones of electromagnetism and it is called Biot-Savart's law. So, this law is a fundamental principle in magnetostatics that describes the magnetic field generated by a constant electric current. It relates the magnetic field intensity to the magnitude, direction, length, and proximity of an electric current. So, coming to the statement of the law, this states that the magnetic field intensity, differential magnetic field intensity dH, produced at a point P due to a small current element is directly proportional to the product of current I and differential length dl, nothing but the current element is IDL. So, and it is directly proportional to the sine of the angle theta between the direction of the current element and the line joining the element to point P, and it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance r between the current element and the point P. Coming to the mathematical formulation, it is expressed as dH is directly proportional to I dl sine theta by r square. If we introduce the proportionality constant as 1 by 4 pi for the SI unit system, the equation becomes dH is equal to I dl sine theta by 4 pi r square amps per meter. So in vector form, we can express by using the definition of the cross product. This law can be written in a more robust vector form. And if we define a unit vector, AR is equal to R by modulus of R, pointing from the current element to the point P, then DH is equal to IDL cross AR by 4 pi R square. Since AR is equal to R by R bar, the equation can also be written as DH is equal to ideal cross. In place of AR, I am writing it as R by modulus R, which is going to lead us as ideal cross R bar by 4 pi R cube. So, if we need to find out the total magnetic field intensity at the same point P due to an entire conductor, suppose a wire of finite length, we integrate the contributions from all current elements that make up the conductor. So, H bar is equal to closed integral of ideal cross AR bar by 4 pi r square. So, from the relation between B and H, if you want to find out magnetic flux density, we can say it is related as B is equal to mu H. Therefore, the expression becomes mu by 4 pi out of integration. Integral of ideal cross AR bar by R square. In free space, we can say mu can be replaced by mu naught, and the value of mu naught is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. That's all about the Biot-Savart's law. Thank you.